Let's play a little word game, shall we? When I say eggplant, you say Parmesan! Of course your brain says Parmesan. Mine does too, because it happens to be one of my delicious summertime treats. But let's be honest, classic eggplant Parmesan takes a lot of time. It's also a little fatty, a little calorically dense. So is there a way we can make eggplant Parmesan take half the time, with better texture, with less calories and less fat? Yes. Yes, there is, my friends. And all it takes is a special cutting technique. Let's get started.